What's up everybody, Bandit here behind the camera, and today we're replacing the old school yellow headlights here in the Toyota Tacoma with a brand new set of LEDs from LASFIT LED. So we got this package in the mail from LASFIT the other day, and this is actually our second video using their lights, but this one especially came in a really nice box. This is some of the highest quality packaging I think I've ever seen. You can see you lift the top off here. Do it carefully and not spill any of the contents. But you can see we have a manual and a how to get basically connected with them and stay up to date on their products. But here are their bulbs. You can see the packaging is just spectacular. They seem to really care about these bulbs. But basically, these are, again, a retrofit type system. These are plugs similar to what you'd find with factory headlights. So we're going to get everything hooked up here and see exactly how much of a difference they make. So for this project, we are just replacing the projector style units, and to do that, you can just reach your hand. This is the tighter side with the washer fluid reservoir here, but you can still reach your hand down in here, get right up in between the quarter panel here and the headlight housing, and still be able to twist and pull everything out of there. It is very easy to get to, but then basically we just remove the old bulb and plug in the new one. So here is a better look of the LED outside the box, and as you can see, it does just have a very factory style looking plug to it, and it does have a little bit of wire here as well. But with the LED, you can see that there's actually a diode on each side, and this whole unit, this is a cooling fan actually to keep everything cool, but it looks like it should just connect right into the factory housing, be secured with that little twist, plug everything up, and we'll see exactly how it works. Now I was looking through the LASFIT instruction manual, and it did say to go ahead and test these out. Basically plug them in, but don't put them in the housing just yet. Make sure everything works before you get everything in. So we'll go ahead and do that as well. So reaching in here, we can find the wire. Now there is a plus and minus sign on the side of this, and if you look really closely at this green part here, you can actually see a plus sign on there. I know it won't show up on camera, but I'm sure you all will see that when you actually go to plug yours in. But we'll go ahead and plug this in very carefully. You hear the little click, and I'm going to hold this away from myself. Chad, go ahead. Seems to light up great, and you can feel the fan click on. Now we'll go ahead and put everything in the housing and see how it all looks. All right, Chad, go ahead. You might be able to hear a little bit of a electrical sounding fan there, a little bit of a hum, but overall the color of the headlight is spectacular. It is much whiter. We'll pan around here so you can see what the factory side looks like, and that is much more orange. Now we'll look at where the lights are pointed. Again, we shouldn't have to adjust the headlights because we didn't take them out of adjustment. They should still be aligned, but you can see just how much oranger the other one is and how white and crisp the new LED is. It's very, very impressive. And also the light seems to extend a little bit wider. The factory ones really seem to taper off here as you get to the outside and are not nearly as bright. So with that in mind, we'll go ahead and replace the other side and make both sides the new LASFIT LED look. Alright, so we'll go ahead and test this side. Chad?
Yep, I'm ready. There it goes.
You can hear the fan click on that side, so we'll go ahead and put it in the housing. Fiddle around with it a little bit to get it in. So now we'll go ahead and turn the headlights on and then pair those with the Cali raised side projector LED pods as ditch lights. As you can see, everything is a very similar color temperature. It's very, very bright, hard to look at from my perspective. But overall, a good matching set of LEDs. So all in all, a job well done, and we're very happy with the LASFIT LEDs as headlights. Now we do have them a couple other places on the truck. Be sure and check out our other videos if you haven't seen them already, where we replace the reverse lights and the tag lights. Now a few quick specs here before we go for today. Overall, for the set of these, they're 7,600 lumens, 3,800 per bulb, and the color is 6,000 Kelvin. So that takes it from what would have been a warm light and is now considered a cool light, and that's why we're seeing that crisp white. Now overall, these do have a 1-year warranty, and they should last a good bit longer than the factory headlights, but only time will tell, and we'll be sure to keep you updated with all that. So overall, a huge thanks to LASFIT for hooking us up with these new headlights, and thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody, and we'll catch you next time.